this isn't just out because the kids are home on Christmas break. Maybe a little. We're gonna make vanilla. It's so much cheaper. Stay till the end. I crunch the numbers for you and you'll know exactly how much money you'll save by making it yourself. Come on. You'll need 8 vanilla beans per 1 cup of alcohol. Some vanilla makers use vodka. I choose spiced rum. I think it adds so much more to the flavor. I personally think it's better. You can pick. It's literally 2 steps. Cut your beans, stick them in the booze. That's it. You'll want to go ahead and cut the ends off of each vanilla bean. I go ahead, I cut them in half, and then I give them a little slice down the middle. So I'll be back once this giant pile is done. All right, I'm almost done. Stick with it. Once your vanilla beans are cut, I set a timer. It only took me 8 minutes. You'll take your beans and you'll put them in your rum. I had to pour off about 1/3 of a cup to allow for the volume increase with the vanilla beans. I don't know, whatever will I do with it? Once all of your vanilla beans are in your rum, go ahead, give it a shake. You'll want to leave this sit for at least 6 months. I leave mine sit for a year, and I've actually heard of people that leave theirs sit for up to 2 years. Every now and then, you just give it a little shake and just leave it sit and soak. Now, let's find out how much money you saved. All right, crunch some numbers with me. So, vanilla at the store is $4.87 per ounce. The big jug of rum is 59 ounces. So you take that and it would be $287.33 worth of vanilla that you just made. But it only cost you $79.32 to make it because the rum was $41.33 and the vanilla beans were $37.99. So that takes you to 79 and some change. So you take your $287 worth of vanilla minus your $79 to make it, and your savings is $208 and a penny. So you can make your own and save yourself $208.